Unli buffet ba ang hanap mo? Price starts for only 698 pesos at matitikman mo na ang napakaraming masasarap na food na pwede mong pagpilian at balik-balikan. Dito lang yan, sa Food Club Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. My name is Nina Bacani, kaya naman simulan na natin. Over 100 dishes to choose from. May Filipino, Japanese, Korean, Chinese, carving station, pasta, seafood, desserts, lahat nandito na. Syempre, tikim-tikim muna ako, no? And yes, hindi lang ito masarap, presentable, mainit at sulit. Si Daddy, naka-unli seafood na, nakatatlong balik pa, walang preno. Yung mga kids naman, solve na sa ice cream at ang dami pang desserts na pwede nilang balikan. May birthday dance pa yung crew. Ang saya, parang may party everyday. Weekday lunch starts at 698 pesos lang. May discounts pa for seniors, PWDs, students, and graduates. May free for birthday celebrants, may kids rate, at kung group kayo ng 20, may plus 2 na free valid hanggang August 31, 2025. Pwede ka rin bumili ng 1,000 worth voucher for just 950 pesos na pwede mong gamitin sa kahit anong food club branch at wala itong expiry. May bonus treats din from IDIM DIY Bakery na for every qualified spend, may chance ka pa makakuha ng baking or cake vouchers. Check mo na lang yung full mechanics sa caption or description below. Perfect talaga to for birthdays, lunch outs, o kahit simpleng family bonding lang. Kaya naman next banding, dito na tayo. Visit Food Club Manila, 4th floor, IT Zone, Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Lunch starts at 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. at dinner naman 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Sulit, masarap, family friendly, kaya naman approve na approve ko.